Hello, A-Framers. Well, I wanted to give you a quick update on a new feature we've implemented, and it involves omitting tasks. Prior to this update, you were able to omit attachments and dates, sort of an alternative to actually deleting an attachment or dates entry. Well, now you can do the same thing for tasks. And there's a couple other little items that we've updated as well, and I'll kind of point those out as we go along. So right now I'm looking at a transaction detail screen, and I'm looking at the Task tab specifically. Now you'll notice this new icon. It's exactly the same as you may have noticed under attachments and dates. You have the ability to omit attachments and dates, and now you can do that here with tasks. So you have the same type icon. Again, omitting something just simply sort of removes it from your purview, but really it keeps the entry in play, so you sort of know that you intentionally removed that task rather than delete it altogether. So again, you can omit tasks, attachments, and dates. Additionally, we've reordered these first two items just to give consistency. So you'll notice with dates and attachments, you'll first see the note toggle button, you'll see the omit, and then you'll see the rest of the icons. The same order applies to attachments and tasks now to give you that consistency. Additionally, with this update, we've sort of introduced colors, and specifically the green color when you complete an item. So you'll see when you complete a task, you have a green check mark. This just gives a little more obvious sort of indication that those items have been done. And again, it gives you a little more contrast between an omitted item and a completed item. The same is true for attachments. When you complete an item with an attachment, you'll see a green check mark now. One minor little UI detail is if you upload a file and uncheck it, you'll notice that this is sort of a dark blue. Obviously, you can view the file if you've uploaded it, but the box will stay orange rather than the entire line. And I think this gives a little bit easier sort of workflow. For example, if you have a file or an attachment that may have been signed by one party, but you're still waiting for that completed executed document to come in. So when you do that, you can essentially upload the incomplete document. And this indication just sort of says, hey, I've got the document, but I'm still waiting. Of course, you can always complete it, or when you upload the new version, you can fully complete it at that time. And then last but not least, dates work the same way. When you check those off, you will see a green check mark, and that is obviously mimicked over here in the dates quick view. You'll also see that same sort of indication in the daily focus. When you complete something, you can also omit on the daily focus, and then also on the dashboard. The last thing I'll point out is you do have the ability to hide the omitted items or show the omitted items, just like you were able to do with completed. So under the Task tab, if you want to see what you have omitted, you can obviously toggle this on or off, as well as the completed toggle. And then under attachments, it works the same way. You can toggle off omitted and toggle on and off the completed documents under attachments. And of course, those settings will be saved into sort of on your account. So as you go into other transactions, they'll have the same view as you have set in another transaction. Okay, hopefully that is clear. As always, if you guys need anything, let us know at support@aframesoftware.com. Thanks.